Hey guys, I was in the middle of doing an upcycle of an old tablecloth, and I thought, what the heck, let's just show you this as well. This was a round tablecloth that my mom had made, and we used it for years. And now that she's gone, my brother and I decided maybe we should make it into a tree skirt. It had a lot of damage at one side of it, so as you can see, I've cut that out, that V there. And I'm going to put that to the back of the tree skirt. I just made it solid green so it would kind of blend in back there. And I have another piece of material that I am going to cut a solid circle just like this one. And then I'll sew the two together so that I can turn it instead of trying to make a binding that will lay flat. So that's going to be the quickest and easiest way. Plus it could be double-sided at that point. But this is where I'm at now. I've got the green cut over there. I'm going to attach that, and then I will sew the other circle on top of it and turn it, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so what I did was fold the tablecloth into fourths, and then I did the same thing to my blue material. And then I laid the tablecloth down where I'd already cut it out. I had the curves I needed. So I just went around that to match it on the blue. So now what I will do is I'll sew down both sides and the bottom, and I'll leave the top open so that I can turn it and press it. And then all I'll have to do is close up the top edge. Hey guys, so you can see I've got it done. And I used that blue and white on the back. It was just some fabric I had that I wasn't using, and so I decided to use it on this. And you can see I put like I call it a waistband there in the center, so that I could put that canvas string through it. It's kind of like a strap if you're making totes. I wanted to put that through it so that we could use it like a drawstring, so it wouldn't matter if he was using a fake tree. We could cinch it in a little bit tighter, but this past year he did get a real tree, so it was going to need to be a little bigger. So I figured that was the best of both worlds. But it turned out really cute, so we still have Mom's tablecloth, just upcycled it and using it in a new way now. So just wanted to share. Have a great day.